Today in front of me I have POCO C50, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate that you can share the Wi-Fi network on this device. So to begin with, you gotta somehow get yourself to the Wi-Fi settings page. The easiest and the most generic and universal way to do that is through launching the control panel, which you can very easily do by swiping downwards from the right part of your status bar. And among the available controls or shortcuts, simply find the one that is responsible for the Wi-Fi and touch and hold edit. Then, assuming that the network or the Wi-Fi network that you would like to share is the network that you are currently connected to, tap on it like that, and as you can see, this little pop-up window appears, which provides you with a QR code that you can further scan and get yourself automatically connected, or well, not yourself, use any other external device, scan this QR code, and get the aforementioned device automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.